Hello beautiful people, this is me, I'm your host, and today I'm gonna share with you my May empties. So if you're curious, please carry on and keep on watching. Those are the items which I use for the month of May. No, it's not a lot, but you know what, at least it's something. I'm trying to go through my stash, so in that case I'm gonna use up what I have and it's not gonna go bad. In the meantime, I'm gonna make more space for the new products which I'm planning on purchasing once I'm gonna start traveling. But anyway, let's go to this bag. And by the way, yeah, that's kind of neat. I bought this one recently at Target, and no, I don't need more makeup bags, but you know what, I like the color, so why not? Okay, let's start with the sheet mask. That's the Hydra gel mask from NEUTROGENA with hyaluronic acid. It comes with 2 parts. If you need some boost or let's say hydration when your skin it's kind of, you know what, give it a go. This one, it's one of those masks which gonna make your skin look way better because of the hyaluronic acid. Once you take it off, it's gonna be nice and plump and hydrated, and besides you cannot really go wrong with it. I use many of those and I do enjoy it. I like the MISSHA Snail mask, but it's not always available. And this one, guess what, it's in a drugstore, so most of the time it's on sale. Next one is the AVEENO hand mask. This one is the oats and shea butter. It repairs your skin, and those are like regular gloves which are infused with the good stuff. So we just put the gloves, and after, I don't know, let's say like 10 to 15 minutes, you're gonna take them off and your hands are really nice and smooth. The same as with this. I went through many and I cannot really not recommend. Believe me, it's worth trying and buying and keep using it. Then I have a small packet of the simple cleansing wipes, remove waterproof mascara. Most of the time when I'm buying my Q-tips, this one is attached, so yeah, that's the time when I'm getting, I believe it comes with 7 wipes. The wipe itself, it has a double texture, so it's smooth on one side and texture on the other. It's very gentle, I have no issues with using, and it does remove the makeup. So yes, that's another item which I will recommend. And then from soap&glory we have their face off mask, which is similar, which works similarly to this. However, this one, it has a mint scent, which I'm not a big fan of. It's a wipe, so once you're gonna remove the makeup, you're still gonna wash your face. I don't like the mint scent, but I can handle. But in case if you are sensitive to the fragrances, I will say watch out for it. And then we have a deep pore strip from the up&up brand. That's their dupe for the Pure pore strips, and they work exactly the same. The difference, they're a little bit cheaper, and no, they don't have such a fancy package. I believe this is my 2nd or 3rd bags, and I already have a backup. So yes, that's one of my new and favorite staples, and guess what, I'm gonna recommend it to you as well. Next item is the shower gel from Victoria's Secret. That's their bombshell, which is this fragrance. If you're fan of layering, this is perfect. So pretty much you're gonna use the shower gel, use the lotion, and then the fragrance, and then the scent is gonna linger longer on you. I use that because I have it. No, I'm not gonna repurchase because I have many products to go through. And talking about shower gels, I have the 3 Hat Shea Moisturizing Body Wash Tropical Mango, and rich with vitamins A, E, F, antioxidants. In general, it's a shower gel which, yes, it foams, smells nice, cleans, doesn't dry your skin, goes down the drain, and it's affordable. It comes in many scents, and because it's 3 Hat, you can buy it anywhere. Yes, I do like it. No, I will not repurchase because of the same reason as this. I have many products to go through, and because I'm trying to go through the items which I have, I should say go through my stash. As much as I like this one, I'm not gonna repurchase at the moment, but maybe in the near future. Okay, since we're talking about the body, I have the body lotion from CUREL. That's their dry skin therapy Hydra Silk Moisture Itch Defense. Daily Delight, soothe calm skin, immediately absorbs, deliver long lasting nor greasy moisture, instant relieves dry itchy skin with soothing hydration. It has ceramides, complex vitamin E and oatmeal extract. I have dry skin, and yes, if I don't give it enough hydration, I'm gonna start itching. So it's like a eczema skin. So pretty much I have to be careful with the products which I use. I do enjoy CUREL. I think this is my second or third bottle, and you cannot really go wrong with it. This one comes in many different versions. I like the itch defense, and you know what? Just give it a try. This is not a lotion, this is a face cream from Pacifica. That's for all skin types. Dreamy You Face and Night Face Cream. It smells nice, it has many good ingredients, but there was one ingredient which didn't suit me and my skin was breaking down. And even though the texture was nice and light and absorbed fast, because it was breaking me down, I stopped using it and I finish as a body lotion. And as much as I like it, no, I will not repurchase. Alright, we have a little bit more to go. I have two face washes. First is the Super Aqua Snail Cleansing Foam. I went through many of those. This is like a creamy face wash, but it's not harsh. It's foamy face wash, but because of the snail extract, it's gonna leave your skin nice and hydrated. Yes, I already have a full size. And the second one is the face cleanser from First Aid Beauty. Removes oils, makeup, dirt and grime. It wasn't bad. It's a, I would say, like a deluxe sample. I didn't mind that. If I were a purchase, no, because I have many other cleansers to go through. Talking about the cleanser, I have the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. Removes makeup, cleanses and soothes. Even though it's micellar water, after you use it, please rinse off your face or use another cleanser. The product was nice, it didn't irritate me, I didn't have any issues with it. No, I will not repurchase because I rather go with the Bioderma, which also comes in the pink tub. Yeah, cup, here we go. Another makeup remover is from CLARINS. That's their instant eye makeup remover. Removes waterproof and heavy makeup. And yes, this product did a wonderful job. I have a little bit left, but I decided to include in this video. This is like a double solution. So for example, you're gonna have oil on one half and then water on the other. So you have to shake it, and that's when you're gonna use it. So this works exactly the same. I went through many bottles of it, and no, I'm not gonna buy the full size. Okay, as much as I like it, no, I'm not gonna buy it because I can easily find a drugstore equivalent for way cheaper. Okay, I have a couple makeup items. First is the, I have a box for it. Here we go. Mascara from soap&glory. You're gonna focus, maybe not. Okay, it's thick and fast, high definition collagen coat mascara. What's nice about it? You don't need to use too many layers, and this thing will give you a volume. It comes, okay, once you apply it, you're gonna see the color right away. Because the brush has many different sides, it was harder for me to find the right one, and there were the times when I was just poking myself. And as much as I like the mascara, no, I will not repurchase. For example, Maquia, I know which side works for me the best, but let's say when I was in rush, maybe I was grabbing the wrong one, and that's when I was poking. So no, I'm not gonna repurchase because I don't want to hurt my eyes. And second is the Brow Stylist Boost Set Volumizing Brow Mascara from L'Oreal. So this is like their, yeah, it's a mascara for your brows. Comes in a comes with a small comb, so you just comb it through your brows and it gives you a color. Lancome, they have a similar item. Since Lancome is owned by L'Oreal, once Lancome's gonna introduce a new product on the market, few months afterward, or I should say few months down the road, L'Oreal, they're gonna come up with the same item. So there is no point of you overspending for something at Lancome when you can easily buy it at the drugstore for way cheaper, especially if there is a promotion going on. Next item is the moisturizer from BLISS. That's their water jelly hydration for combination skin, and as the name says, it was a jelly texture moisturizer. This one was pink in color, so it looked like Pepto-Bismol. Because it's for combination skin, it was a little bit hydrating, but I have a dry skin, so this was not enough for me. Let's say during summertime, sure, I can go back, but for right now, no. Then I have eye drops. Since I'm spending more time by the screen, my eyes are getting more drier. This is a complete eye relief and it works fine. Obviously I use it up. Then I have multi-correction 5-in-1 chest, neck, face cream with sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 30. This one is from Rock. I didn't want for other claims because it has SPF. That's why I was using it. As SPF work perfect. Okay, as SPF, this product is good. With the other claims, I don't know, because the sample was too small to find out. Then I have BAHA Niacinamide, that's 10%. And if you watch me, you know I do enjoy one from Paula's Choice. If I can make comparison, they both come in a pipette bottles. Their glass have 10% of niacinamide. The difference, this one has a more watery texture. This one is like it's still watery, but it's more like a jelly. Yes, it will absorb. Now, I don't mind it because I use niacinamide at night, so I'm fine if the texture is a little bit thicker. Now, the biggest difference, this is $40. This is $10. So pretty much I can have 4 bottles in a price of 1. And why I switched for this one? I was watching one of the YouTubers and she was recommending, and because it's cheaper, I was like, why not? So yeah, instead of me overspending, I'm gonna switch for the BAHA so I can save me some money. I have 2 more serums left. First one is Vichy Vitamin C. That's their 15% with hyaluronic acid. I went through many of those and I'm sure you're already familiar. So yeah, it's a small bottle with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. And because of that, obviously it's empty. Once you apply it, it's not sticky, but also it provides that hydration. Vitamin C is good for your skin because it works with free radicals and diminishes sunspots, and it's one of those items where you cannot really go wrong with. So yes, I went through many bottles of it and I do enjoy it. And then the last one is the Q10 Booster from Indeed Lab. This one is about to be over, but I decided to include in this video. So it's like a white serum. Now Q10, it's naturally occurs in our body. It's made by our heart. But let me redo the claims. Q10, energize skin with natural antioxidant for a more youthful tone and complexion, stimulates skin cell activity and prevent oxidative damage. Okay, defend against free radicals, and then reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Pretty much when I use this, I can see the difference in my skin, and when I don't use it, I just miss it. And because I do like it, I already repurchased, and this is my new bottles. So yes, you can see I do like it. Possible I'm gonna branch out into different companies, but for right now I do have one from Indeed. Here we go. And on that note, I'm gonna finish her up because my bag is empty, and I see you next time. Bye!